If you're thinking about using bridging finance for your next property project, here's exactly what you need to do step by step with a real life example. First, find a property you want to buy. Let's say Sarah spots a rundown house priced at £200,000. Next, Sarah checks her finances. Typically, you'll need around 25% deposit for a bridging loan, so she'll need at least £50,000 ready. Sarah also approaches the bridging lenders to fund not only the purchase, but also the renovation works. To secure this, she gathers essential documents including a schedule of works, detailing planned renovations, floor plans and planning permission documents if applicable. Sarah then contacts builders to get detailed quotes. Bridging lenders require these quotes up front, releasing funds at various project stages. These are known as tranches as the work progresses. Before agreeing to lend, the bridging lender sends a surveyor to value the property and review Sarah's renovation plans, ensuring the loan accurately reflects current and future values. During the renovation, Sarah schedules further surveyor visits at agreed intervals. After each successful review, the lender releases the next tranche of funds covering ongoing building costs. Upon completion, Sarah has significantly increased the property's value. She repays the bridging loan typically by refinancing onto a traditional buy-to-let mortgage or by selling the renovated home. Now let's highlight common mistakes to avoid. One major error is lacking proper paperwork, leading to delays. Always double check your documentation. Another mistake is underestimating renovation costs. Plan at least a 10% contingency budget. So let's talk costs. Bridging finance usually carries interest rates between 0.5% and 1.5% per month, with arrangement fees around 1 to 2%, plus additional survey, valuation and legal fees. Using specialist solicitors who understand the bridging finance will also streamline your process significantly. A clear exit strategy is essential. Know exactly how you'll repay your bridging loan from day one, typically by refinancing onto a long-term mortgage or selling the renovated property. Clearly outlining this strategy makes it more attractive to lenders. Realistic timelines are also critical. Bridging loans usually complete within 2 to 4 weeks, but renovations can face unexpected delays. Always build in extra time for contingencies. And finally, consider whether bridging finance suits your scenario. It's perfect for quick flips, auction purchases or fast renovations, but it's not ideal for long-term projects without clear exits. Used wisely, bridging finance is powerful for rapidly growing your property portfolio, leveraging equity and quickly capitalising on profitable opportunities. Stay organised and follow these steps to enjoy a smooth transaction. If you'd like personalised guidance or have any questions about bridging finance, please feel free to contact me directly. You can also connect with me through social media or visit my website to book a consultation. I'm here to help you make informed and profitable property decisions.